This is a 2009 Chevrolet Tahoe. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, third-row seats, 3-zone automatic climate control, a DVD player, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, dual power seats, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.